We're back, guys, with another video. This is our straight reverse. Nice Matondo. I'm back, guys. He's about to do the straight reverse now. As you can see here, guys, the streets here are straight. So yeah, he's going to do the straight reverse, making sure that his car is straight. As you can see, this box, guys, this box, it's for you guys to make sure that your car is straight. As you can see, he did put his truck straight, so he's about to ensure that the truck is straight until he arrives there at the line, where at the stopping point. So this is a straight reverse, guys. In order for you to see it nicely, on the starting point, you start with the full swing, 2.5, put your tires straight, and then you observe, 5-point check, and then reverse, then you balance your car. Make sure, guys, that you stay on the road and you don't turn too much. When you balance your car, you make sure that you look at your sides, everything, then stop. So here, guys, he stopped late. So here, guys, you need to make sure that you stop on the line. Before, then the petrol tank, use this to stop. This thing here, down here, guys, on the petrol tank, you stop here on the line. Exactly on the line. And the show Matera Pambila one Julie put. Away. I see P in the footy. Let's do it again. He's about to redo the straight reverse. Again, just to make sure that he's perfect. Now he's going to come this way, just to make sure that he opens up the space, this side. Then he's gonna go straight, making sure that his sides are even. As you can see, guys, both sides are even. Then neutral, then handbrake up, then 5-point check. Nice. Nice. Okay. Look thoroughly, guys. Look thoroughly on how he controls his car. He makes sure that he looks every side, just to make sure that he sees what's happening on both sides. As you can see, his car is straight. He's about to make sure that he stops straight in the line there. Excellent. As you can see, guys, it's straight there where I showed it. There's the line here, guys. So sorry for it to be blaring, guys, but as you can see, we're trying to push, and I would love you to subscribe more, like support more, guys, in order for us to make sure that we get good resources, in order for us to teach people. So I would love your support, guys, in order for us to get more resources and teach more. People need our lessons, guys. People need people who are patient here outside, so that they could believe they could do it too. So as much as, guys, we're struggling here outside, guys, don't worry, I got you. Even though you don't see me physically, you'll be able to get me on YouTube. You would learn nicely how to drive, and take your time, guys, because as people, we're not supposed to rush ourselves. We need to stay calm. Every time we stay positive about everything we're doing, so that we could ensure ourselves that we trust what we're doing, and we see and we understand what we're doing. So now, guys, he's about to do the side taking here. As you can see, he's done with our straight reverse. So, guys, in order for you to make sure that you're doing the right thing every time, stay tuned to my videos, and comment more, subscribe, like, guys, so that the channel could grow. Then for more videos, like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned,